It's time for you to rest. Oh?
And that's what I'm doing.
Obi, I brought food for you. And guess what? I cooked your favorites.
Did I tell you to bring food for me? I am not hungry.
Obi, you have been working since morning. So I know you must be hungry.
I am not hungry. Go with your food or better still, just look around and look if you see any hungry farmer and give it to.
Obina, I don't understand.
Are you deaf? I said I am not hungry. Go with your food. There's a gun. Just go. Just go.
Obina, you can't say you're not hungry now.
My love. The joy of my life.
Kamali Cham.
I bought you your food.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What did you bring?
Your favorite.
Oh.
I know you like it.
I'm going to eat right now.
Obina, is this the reason you're rejecting my food? Obina, you would have told me that Ezine is bringing food for you.
I didn't tell you, but now you've seen it. Please go, let me have my peace. Biko. Nah, bring the food, let me eat.
Obina, why are you breaking my heart? Obina, why are you hurting the heart that loves you so much? Why, Obina, why? What have I done to deserve this? Obina.
Adeze, how many times have I told you to leave Obinna alone? You are dying for a man who does not even know you are existing.
Mama, I love Obinna so much. I cannot afford to lose him, Mama.
You love a man who does not love you. Adeze, please leave Obinna alone and look for another man. Become one.
No, Mama. Obinna is my life. My heart beats for him. I cannot live without Obinna, Mama. I can't.
And his heart belongs somewhere else. You should understand that, Adeze.
Mama, that is something I don't want to understand. I want Obinna to be mine. His love has engraved my heart. Mama, I cannot do without Obinna. I cannot. I want Obinna to be mine.
It's okay. Just calm down. Eh? If truly Obinna is yours,
Mama, I want Obinna to be mine. I want him to be mine, Mama. How am I supposed to live without him, Mama?
Ada, I am so sorry for what happened. It will not happen again.
Obinna, I wish you can go through my heart so you can see how much I love you.
And I love you too, Ada. I love you so much. Eh?
I want to be the only one in your life.
As far as I'm concerned, you're the only one in my life. Okay?
Then stay away from them. Especially Ezine. Obinna, for crying out loud, she's a small girl. Obinna, you are my man, my solid pride. And I want to be proud of you.
And I want to be proud of you too. You know what? I think this is the right time to let them know the truth. What do you think?
Please do. And we appreciate it.
It's alright.
Careful the way you fall in love with people.
Obioma, what are you doing here?
Are you blind? Can't you see?
Wait, oh. Wait. This way you are sweeping this compound this early morning. Don't tell me you slept over.
And what is wrong with it?
Okay.
Just tell me, what is wrong with a young maiden like me? Pass a night in a man's hut.
And how many times have I warned you to stay away from Obina?
For your information, Obina does not love you. I'm the love of his life. And there is nothing anyone can do about it, including you.
Are you out of your mind? You want to compete with me over a man? You know, Paula!
You slapped him.
Are you mad? Yes, I slapped you. And I will slap you repeatedly until you stay away from him. What? Will you stop that? I said... Come on, stop. What's wrong with you people? Eh? What's wrong with you people? Leave this house. Tell her to stay away from you. Tell her to stay. Shut up. Just tell her to stay. Shut up. Away from Obina. Shut up. Come on now. Shut up. Mechana, sister. What do you want to say? Yeah.
Don't worry. I'll talk to him. You see, Obina loves you so much. It's just that,
He does not. Ojiofo, Obina doesn't love me. Okay, let me shock you. Do you know that Nwaneka and Obioma fought at his place yesterday?
Yes, I'm aware of it. I heard the story, though I have not confirmed from him yet.
It's true. Yes. Nwaneka met Obioma at his place and they started fighting. If Obina truly loves me, what were they doing at his place?
You see, what baffles me so much is that I don't know what all the maidens in this kingdom sees in him that makes them keep frolicking around him. What is it that he has that I don't? Take a good look at me. Am I not handsome? Take a very good look at me. Am I not handsome?
Ojiofo, you will not understand.
Then make me to understand. Yes, make me understand. Why is it that all the maidens are dying for him? When I'm here, just looking for just one maiden to like, not even love. Yet I can't find one. And everyone is talking about Obina. What's so unique about him that I don't have?
Ojiofo, please, that is not my problem. Help me talk to Obina. Please, let him understand the pain he's causing me.
It's not your problem. Okay, no problem. I've heard you. I will talk to him. Since it's not your problem.
Thank you.
This will not prevent me from finding out what this Obina of a person have done to all our maidens in this kingdom that make them keep dying for him. I have been looking for just one maiden to like me. Could not find any. Something is behind it. That guy is using means against these maidens, and I must find out. He can't fool me.
Okay, Joffo. So, you really want to know why all these maidens are dying for me?
Yes. I want to know why all these maidens are dying for you. Tell me the truth. Ezekubundu.
Okay. Ogojofon, let me ask you this question. Am I not a handsome young man?
Of course you are. Okay. No doubt about it.
Okay. Am I not a successful farmer?
Hold it there. Hey, just hold it there, Obina. Are you the only successful farmer in this village? Why is it that all the maidens are dying for you? Tell me the secrets. I'm your friend.
Well, my friend, honestly, I'll tell you the truth. I don't know myself.
Huh?
Maybe it's because of the way I handle them. But the truth and the fact remains that I don't have love for any of them.
You don't love any of them. And you're proud saying it. Obina, clean your mouth.
Okay, Joffo. To me, women are just playing materials.
Women are just playing materials. Listen to yourself. No, just listen to yourself. Let me tell you the truth. All these things you're doing has a future implications. I hope you know that. You better rethink. Besides, Adeze loves you so much. And I just want you to consider that. She's not one of them. Think about it.
But I don't love her. See, let me tell you. I don't have anything called love left in me anymore.
Obina, you better rethink. You better rethink. Oh. This thing you are saying, there is future implication in it. Remember, one day you will get married. How will you stay with your wife?
Don't worry. Don't worry. When the time comes, I will know how to handle it.
Is that what you're saying? That's what you're saying, right? Okay. But I just want to advise you as a friend. As a very bosom friend. Adeze loves you very much. Yes. And the way things are going, that girl might die because of you. Think about it.
I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care. Are you not a man? Jofo, are you not a man?
Of course I'm a man.
You're a man?
Yes.
If you care about Adeze that much, why can't you go and let her know you love her?
She doesn't love me. It's you she loves.
You let her know. Tell her first. She might give you a chance. Go and tell her you love her. She might give you a chance. You stop preaching to me. Instead of telling me you love Adeze, you're telling me everything.
I am not saying I love her. I'm only just thinking of what you just said.
Obinna, why are you this wicked? Why do you want to kill my daughter?
Mama, is that what she told you?
Yes. You stole her heart, knowing fully well that you don't love her.
She told you that? Mama, I never loved your daughter. Neither have I ever told her I loved her for one day.
Obinna, you are lying. You are a liar. You should know that women's hearts are so soft to be maltreated the way you are maltreating my own daughter. Or do you want to kill her for me?
No, I don't want to kill her for you. That is why you need to talk to your daughter. To stay away from me. Am I the only young man in this kingdom?
Okay. I have heard you. I will talk to my daughter.
Better.
But don't forget, whatever a man sows, he will reap.
No problem. Just go and never come back. Huh? Everybody loves Obinna. Because of my yams and my livestock. Nonsense. If I give you a chance, you equally fall in love with Obinna. And that your daughter, if she ever cross her feet into my compound, Mbayakaji. Alana apia. Love ubakwa.
My name is Mary. Please help me. I can't find my way anymore. I've been wandering for days now. Please.
It's alright, come. Here it's not good for you. Come.
Thank you. My father wants me to give him a son so that his lineage will not close.
Why would your father do a thing like that?
I don't know. Maybe because of his fame and bravery.
Oh. I get it. So your father respects his name and fame.
My father is a well-respected man in my village.
I see.
But he should consider me as well. I mean, how can I give him a child? How can I give him a son without a husband? How?
Don't worry about that. Okay? The gods must have had their reasons.
It's okay. No, please. You need to help me. I don't even know the way to my village anymore. Please.
It's alright. Like I told you, I stay alone. So you can stay here as long as you want. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Make up this fire. I guess you should be hungry too.
I would love to have my bath. I've not had my bath for some days now.
Okay, no problem. That means I will boil water for you first. Then after then I'll prepare something for us to eat.
Thank you.
It's alright, no problem, huh? Let me get some water.
Okay.
I know how to do all this, huh?
Careful.
Don't worry, let me help you.
No, don't bother, I can do it, okay?
Are you sure?
My mom taught me very well. Just watch and see. I told you.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for everything. I really do appreciate it. You are such a good man.
Don't mention it. It's good to help each other. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Yes, but not everyone understands that.
Just feel at home, okay? Everything in this house now belongs to you. Whenever you need anything in this house, please do not hesitate to let me know. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much once again.
You're welcome.
I'm just happy that my parents' plan did not work.
And I can tell you they are currently looking for you right now.
And they will not see me until I decide to go back. They are so selfish. They didn't even consider my feelings at all. Do you know that there was a man that wanted to marry me, but my father refused because of the same selfish interest. Though I hate the man.
Why would you hate a man that wants to marry you?
I hate him because everyone wants to have him.
Really? That is my life too. I hate girls competing with me. I can't be seeing two girls at the same time. When I love with all my heart. Like I said, whenever you need anything in this house, please, I'm begging, please, do not hesitate to let me know. Okay?
Thank you.
Good.
The gods will bless you.
Bless you too. You should be eating bushmeat by now. You love bushmeat?
I love bushmeat a lot.
Really?
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll go out of this rent now. Give me...
Oh no! serious.
Ah, yeah. Greetings. Greetings.
It's my friend now.
Obina.
Yes.
Oh,
Robina.
okay, Jafo. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hmm?
He's my friend.
You're welcome.
I must say you're really beautiful. Yes. And your chidi made a mistake in creating you. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me go back to what I was doing.
Jafo, sit down.
Why did you bring a total stranger in your house to cook for you? Why? Jofo, you see that woman you are looking at right now?
She's not what you think. She's everything a man wants in a woman.
Can see you're already liking her.
I am already in love with her. Can't you see how beautiful she was? She's everything a man wants in a woman.
Obina, why? Slow down. You just met her. You have to study her, understand her, and besides, you need to be careful.
Leave that to me.
I'm advising yourself, right?
Leave that to me. You know, I've always been careful when it comes to women. As for her, I'm just waiting for the right time to profess my love to her. Honestly.
Did I hear you say love? Wait, Chirikubina. Did I hear you say love? How? But you told me you can't love any woman again. And besides, that all these women, we are just playing games with them. So where is this love story coming from?
Okay, Jafo, that was before.
Yeah.
You see that woman? She's different. Honestly. She's just everything I want in a woman. Honestly.
I will not agree less. She's very beautiful. Mana, Nigerian why?
Leave that to me. Leave that to me.
No, Yabe.
So fast. This is actually my size.
You like it?
Mary, your beauty manifests in the kitchen.
Thank you.
This is a palatable meal. Why not join me? Let's eat together.
You like it?
Come on, let's eat together.
Okay.
Let me see. You like it?
Obina!
Obi, who is she?
She's one of the villagers. Adeze, what do you want?
Obina, call me one of the villagers? Is that what I am to you?
There's Olivia. I hope I've told you are no more welcome in this compound.
Are you sending me out of your house? No, Obina, are you sending me out of your house?
Ades, I said leave my compound right now. And never you come back here again. Leave!
No, Obina, no! Obina! Obina!
Don't mind her, let's eat today. Come on, let's eat. Forget about her. Let's eat.
I think I will leave. I don't want to have any trouble with anyone.
Why? Is it because of the maiden that came here?
Yes. She is your woman. And she might think I'm here to take you away from her.
She's not my woman, Mary.
Okay? She's been coming here disturbing my peace. And I don't want her.
She loves you very much. She has feelings for you. So why are you hurting her?
I don't love her. Okay. I'm sorry if I have said anything wrong. Forgive me. Okay? But I don't know why they keep coming here pestering my life. I don't want them.
You said them. She's not the only one.
Mary, please, let's forget about this issue. Okay? I don't want them.
I don't want to have any trouble. I don't want troubles.
You will not. Nothing will ever happen to you. Okay? I promise you that. No one will ever come into this compound again to disturb your peace. Alright? I just want you to be happy. Oh? Cheer up, cheer up.
Daisy, what are you doing here? Why are you not eating your food?
I'm not hungry.
Adesanya, so you have decided to starve yourself to death because of Obinna? Eh?
Mama, why did Obinna choose to treat me this way?
I have told you that Obinna doesn't love you anymore. As you can see.
Mama, Obinna is so wicked. Mama, I gave him everything. I gave him my heart. I gave him everything, Mama. And this is how he chose to treat me. Mama, is it fair? Is it fair?
It's okay. Crying will not solve this problem.
Mama. Mama. Mama is not fair, Mama. Mama is not fair. Mama is not fair. Mama, I love Obinna. I love him, Mama. I love him. Mama, I love him. I love him. Mama, why?
Okay.
Why?
maiden of our land.
Greetings, Obinna, great farmer of our land.
I am very thirsty. Please, can I have some water?
Oh yes, you can have as much as you want.
That's very generous of you. Thank you so much.
You don't have to thank me. I just did the right thing. I mean, I cannot deny you ordinary water.
Thank you so much. Wait a minute. Don't worry, I will see you later. There's the rising sun of our kingdom.
Obinna, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Please, sit down.
Adeze, I brought these 2 tubers of yam for you. By the way, where is your mother?
She's not at home. She went out. But Obinna, are you trying to repay me for the water I gave to you? Please take your yam.
No, not at all. I have come to say a very big thank you to you from the bottom of my heart.
Obinna, the appreciation is too much. I insist. Take your yam.
No. Don't worry about it. Just keep it. There is still more where this one came from. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
May the gods of our land reward you.
Thank you so much. And I have to be on my way now.
Okay. We'll see some other time.
Yeah, sure, of course. The rising sun of our kingdom.
He's kind-hearted. Obinna, I'm sorry. I can't do what you're asking of me.
There's that.
No, I don't hate you. Just that I'm afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of getting hurt. Besides, I want to give my virginity to the man that will spend the rest of his life with me.
Are you telling me I'm not good enough for you to spend the rest of your life with? What is it? I love you.
Mama! Ades. Where are you going?
Mama, I'm going to Obinna's house. He asked me to come cook for him.
I didn't say that you should not go, because Obinna has been so nice to us. But when you get there, be very, very careful.
Mama, I don't understand. Is anything the problem?
You're supposed to know what I'm saying. My daughter, listen. You are not married to Obinna. He has not paid you your bride price. Be very careful.
Mama, Obinna will do that at the right time. But for now, let me go and cook for him. He might be hungry. Mama, I'll be back soon.
The young man has stolen her heart.
I've been waiting for you inside.
No, I don't want to come inside. I have to be on my way now. It's raining already.
Come on, I will not take much of your time.
No, I don't want to. Just let me go.
Come on, Ada.
Stop it. I don't like it. Stop it.
Come inside. How will I enjoy the palatable food you prepared for you? Oh,
You don't have to touch me now. You don't have to touch me.
Okay.
Obinna, what have I done to you? You defied and abandoned me after making me lose the most precious thing in my life. What did I do to deserve this, Obinna? Why? Why are you breaking my heart? Why? Why, Obinna? Why? Obinna, why did you do this to me? Why? Obinna, why?
Obinna is so heartless. He doesn't even have human sympathy.
I told you, Obinna is not yours. I love you. I want you to be the love of my life. Okay, after everything you did for Obinna, you swept his house, you cooked for him. Where is he? He's nowhere to be found. Understand that I love you.
The worst part of it is that he looks so innocent and friendly. But he's a wolf in sheep's clothing. He's the worst man I've ever seen.
Obinna or no Obinna, I heard that he has found himself a wife.
Are you sure he's going to marry her? He will use her and dump her, just the way he did to us. So, just forget this marriage thing.
The Obinna I know will not dump her. Okay, Can't you see the way they are living? Living happy, playing love. They are now as husband and wife. And that is the same way I want you and I to live. I love you.
Please. I'm not ready to love any man again. Just leave me alone. After all what Obinna did to me, please just leave me alone.
Obinna or no Obinna, all men are not the same. He is Obinna and I am Ikenna. I love you. I want you to be the love of my life. All I want you is to accept my proposal, please. I'm begging you. I love you.
I can't believe Obinna would do a thing like this.
I still can't believe you. Are you serious when I left you for another woman?
That was all we saw. We're all dying for Obinna. We didn't know he had a plan.
This world is something else. I thought that Obinna doesn't love you, but you wouldn't listen. Now you are seeing for yourself.
You didn't.
I did.
You're not here to mock.
God of our land forbid. I'm not here to mock you. I came to sympathize with you.
Thank you. You can go.
Alright, I will go, my sister. Please do take heart.
Obinna, you did this to me. Obinna shall never be well with you. Obinna, your generation shall know no peace. You left me for another woman after breaking my virginity. Obinna, death shall wait you at your doorpost. Obinna, your generation shall know no peace. Your marriage shall know no joy. Obinna, you will never have joy in your life. Obinna, for this reason, the gods of our ancestors will turn their back on you. Obinna, all your farmland will never produce again.
So you have really made up your mind to leave me alone?
Mama, I've told you that I cannot stay in this village and watch another woman stay in Obinna's house as his wife. Mama, I can't.
So you want me to stay in this house alone? Daisy, who will I talk to? Who will I call when I need help? Who will assist me in the farm?
Mama, you're hurting me more. Mama, you'll be okay. Besides, it's your mother I'm going to stay with. She needs a companion more than you do, Mama. Mama, Biko, no, let me go. Please, let me go.
I can see that nothing will change your mind. My regards to my mother. Please be very careful when you get there.
Okay, Mama. Thanks for your understanding. You'll be fine, oh? I'll miss you.
I miss you too.
Mama, thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Go well, my daughter.
Okay, Mama.
The gods will be with you.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, my daughter.
What's this? Huh? Can you have that boy and Kabiko?
What is it?
I heard someone sweeping the compound. I came out and found no one.
Sweeping the compound? But who could that be?
I don't know. You heard that boy and Kabiko? What are you doing?
Obi, I think you need to take some help. Because I've seen you've not taken it for a long time.
You know what? Are you blind? Can't you see? This is strange. This is strange. Yeah, that boy can't be gone. Who took my hand water? Miri! Miri!
You're ready to go to the farm?
Yes. But I can't find my hand water I kept here.
Your hoe and water? Who took them? I mean, who could have come here to take away your hoe and water?
Miri, I am sure of what I'm saying. I left them here myself before going to get my machete.
The backyard. Have you checked the backyard? Maybe you left them there. Is this not your hoe and water?
Who kept them there?
Are you not the one that took them there?
What's the meaning of this? Hey! Mary, please. Mary, please. Oh, please don't leave me.
I want to go. I want to go.
Mary, please, don't go. I know these are the works of my enemies. Pico.
Are you sure? Are you sure that the gods are not angry with me?
The gods can never be angry here with me. The gods made us. They made me find you. Mary, please. Pico. Oh, don't leave me. Please. Please. I believe the gods have a better life for us in the future.
It's just that I am scared. I am scared and confused.
I am scared and confused too. But I promise you, nothing will ever happen to you. I promise. Please don't go. Don't go. Oh? Please. I woke up in the middle of the night. Just to see my pot of soup at the center of my room.
Chimo.
Eh? Ha.
Obina, are you sure of what you're saying?
What do you mean if I'm sure of what I'm saying? Something I personally took to its rightful position. Only to wake up again to find the same pot at the same spot where I took it out from.
Huh? Ahmed, where was Millie then? If I may ask.
Millie was sound asleep there, as if that was not enough. When I woke up this morning, I overheard someone sweeping my compound. Eh? I came out and found no one.
Hey. Strange. Obina, all these things were happening and you're still in this house.
Ogojofo, this is my house. Where will I run to? The story has not ended though. After getting set for work this morning, I kept my hoe and calabash of water there just to get my machete. Coming back to see my calabash and hoe on top of the tree.
Obina, are you sure we are safe here? Strange things are happening now. Very strange.
Yeah, I know it's strange. That's why I called you now.
Chirekwam, Obina, are you sure Miri is not brain behind all these things happening?
No.
I'm just asking you.
No, don't go there. Millie has wanted to leave me this morning because of all these things that is happening. If not that I begged her.
In other words, those girls I'm suspecting they are brain behind all this happening. They are responsible. Yes.
I thought of that too. I thought of that. You know what? I think I am going to confront them one after another.
Now, EJ,
I'll sound a good warning. It's love by force.
But enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Look at Maya. Okay.
It seems they still love you. The maidens. Most especially, isn't it?
Yeah,
I saw the way she was staring at you lustfully. Yes.
And you think she's innocent? So you don't know women can pretend?
I don't know.
Let me tell you. The gods of this land can bear me witness. They know I have given them all the warning I have in my blood.
Yes.
So if I ever notice anything strange in this house, again, I'll hold all of them responsible.
Supported. Yes. Hey! Chimo!
What is it?
Amadioha. Gods of our land. Obina.
Hey!
Hey!
You want me to run away from my compound? Hey! This man want me to run out from this compound.
Hey!
Hey! Miri! Hey!
What is it?
Maybe they have come again.
Who?
They have come again. Oh. Mary, can't you see what I'm seeing? Can't you see what I'm saying?
She's smiling.
Hi.
She's smiling.
Mary, you're smiling.
Yes, I am smiling. Because it's a normal thing that has been happening in this compound.
No matter.
I'm used to it.
No matter.
I'm finished.
Is that why you men are frightened?
Yes, of course. Is that not enough reason to be frightened?
I don't know. I mean, I'm used to it. I was actually busy on the call. Let me continue.
I need help. Ogojofo, I need help. I can't take this anymore. Mary.
Yeah?
There is something I've been dying to tell you.
What is it?
Mary, I love you so much. And I wish you to marry me.
You love me? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Babe, I'm in love with you. You're everything I want in a woman. Please accept me.
Like I told you before, I don't love a man that too many women are dying to have. I want a man that will love me with all his heart. I don't like heartbreak.
Do I look like one that will break your heart? I will never do anything to hurt you. I love you with all my heart. Please. Ejiofor, I woke up in the middle of the night. I didn't see Millie. Only for me to turn my back. And I saw a very big snake. Hey! A very big snake? A giant snake, Ejiofor. Are you sure the gods did not pay you a visit?
Obina.
Uncle, is there any problem?
No. Are you alright?
Ogojo, for what is the problem? Did you tell your uncle we are having issues? Ogojo, please leave us alone. Leave us in peace. And as you can see, we are very fine. Obi, easy.
Okay, my love, I'm sorry.
Ogojo, don't say what you don't see next time.
Oh, I know what I'm saying. Yes. See, I saw them with my two naked eyes. Even the entire villagers bear me witness. They were witness of it.
Oh, Ogojo, try and be sure of what you see next time before you call me.
Oh, see, I am confused as you're confused. But I'm telling you the truth. This thing I'm telling you is not lying. Yes, I saw them.
But you just saw them playing love as if nothing is happening.
That is why I don't understand anymore.
I saw them. Why should you call me for such things?
Was I dreaming? Man, I saw them with my two naked eyes. Obina. Hi.
Wait for me now, please. Wait for me.
Why are you giving me the opposite of what I expect from you?
The world is looking at us. It gives to us the reflection of our own faces. What you sow, that will be.
Please, where am I wrong? Tell me so I can apologize. Please.
You will know you're wrong.
I don't understand.
That is your view.
Hey!
Go inside.
Millie, please. I'm not dead. I'm still alive, please. Because
You have no right to question my command.
you don't need to bury me alive, Biko. I am ready to apologize. Please just tell me wherever I've gone wrong.
Don't lay your hands on me.
Millie, please.
I said, get in there.
Millie, please. I'm still alive. Why will you bury me alive? Biko. Please. Please. I'll do anything to make you happy. Please.
Where are you going to?
Going to say that.
To see a friend. With your bag.
My bag. You can take it.
Pick it.
Yeah?
Pick it.
Just take it. I don't want to.
I said pick it! Go back to the house.
I will not stay long.
I said go back to the house.
Don't forget how I helped you. Don't forget.
How you helped me? You helped me because you wanted to take advantage of me. You have no conscience. And I will treat you with no mercy. Go back, I said.
I will not stay long.
Move.
Look at me. What's this? What's happening to me? could I have slept in my hut? You need to wake up here.
This one you're running like someone that white animal is chasing.
Bago, I was running to your house.
Running to my house with mat. With Ute.
Hey, Bago Jofo.
Eh?
My eyes. I've seen my ears.
I don't understand. What happened?
Bago Jofo, I slept in my hut and woke up at the middle of the road.
Chi? Hey! Eh? At the middle of the road? Hey!
Hey!
I said it. I said it that this girl is on a deadly mission.
She said it.
She said it. I said it. So
she said it.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't know. I don't know.
I've been suspecting that girl. I know that this her beauty. She's too beautiful to be a human being.
Hey!
I have been suspecting it right from time. Hey! Obina, listen to me. All these things happening is your fault. How could you just go and pick a girl from nowhere and start living with her when you don't even have a single knowledge of her background?
This is not the time to abortion blame.
You caused all this for yourself. Look at where you have landed yourself.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Oh, I was only trying to help.
Trying to help?
Look at where my help has landed me. Huh?
See, this is not time to apportion blame to anybody. Are you hearing me? Yes. I think what you need to do now, as I am speaking to you, is to run away.
Yes.
Or are you planning to go back to the house?
Am I mad?
Good.
Huh? Go back to which house?
Since you have made up your mind to run, follow me.
Okay.
What do you think of him?
Me? I was going nowhere.
Follow me.
Huh?
I said, follow me.
I'm following you. I'm following you. I'm following you. How are you? Hey. As you can see, I'm not fine. Huh? So it is true. Obina, this kind of a thing is happening to you and you did not want to tell me. Nobody informed me. Huh?
Wayo. Obina, please call her and let us know where you have wronged her so we can apologize on your behalf. Call her.
See, Obina, if she's not around, stand up and let us go now.
That is it. Go and bring your bag. Let's
No. There's no time. Just stand up now. Follow us. Let's go.
Yes. Go and get your bag. Let's get out of here. Hey.
What are you people doing here?
Nothing, no. Nothing.
Huh? What do you mean by nothing?
Please. It's a lie, yo. I did not follow them all.
Huh?
I did not follow them. I don't even know them.
Okay, your phone. You did not follow us.
Did I follow you?
You did not follow us.
Did I follow you?
Who was in the front when we were coming?
You want to put me into trouble?
Who was in the front? Who was saying let's go?
Quiet!
Did I follow you? Did I follow you? You want to put me into trouble?
Okay, you did not follow us. Why you not the one saying let's go?
Stop lying, no. I did not follow you.
Hey!
Eh?
Nobody should come in here. Where's your phone? Hey! 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 Just get this. Where's your phone? You break my head. What is happening to us? You brought us here. Eh? Agu, you're pushing me. Where's your phone? You break my head. Oh, good, your phone, you brought us. Oh, stop this thing now. Agu, you're pushing me. You people will kill you. Hey! Don't kill me. Please. I will not come here again. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry, please. I will not look for your trouble again. Thank you. Thank you. I will try it again next time.
Now get out.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hey!
Fools.
Nelly, please, be cool. Oh? Forgive my wrongdoing.
I have told you not to plead with me because you don't deserve to be forgiven. You don't deserve it.
Nelly, what have I done? What have I done?
You have a heart of stone. You've been defiling the maidens of this kingdom, pretending you love them. We are not happy, and I have come to avenge. You will pay for your stupidity and nothing will make you escape.
Hey, May, I'm so sorry, Bikoni. Please forgive. Huh? It's the stupidity of this thing. Biko.
I said you should not plead because you don't deserve it. You don't.
Hey.
I see Joe Mama like that, behind the snare. I do Mubaga and the Fuga that you're not in you. Tata, Shina, where a Kuro Murana. I want a child, the Chigdal, Bubu, Wagadalo, Bubu, and no water, Chiruma, Chikwasi, and Urupu. Oburupa, why am no water, Balagada. Jakori, Janjani, Tebuga, Hone, Meluku, Horani, Quaquarani, Quo. Mary! Mary! We are not here to fight you. Neither have we come here to compete with you. We have come to plead on his behalf. Have mercy on him. Have mercy on him.
He doesn't deserve to live. He has succeeded in breaking the hearts of the maidens of this kingdom. So he must pay for it.
I know he's guilty. But he has suffered so much. Please forgive him. I know by now he has learnt his lessons.
The stupid thing dangling between his thighs has done a lot of harm to the maidens of this kingdom. He doesn't deserve to rise again.
Melly, please forgive me. Oh, Biko, no. I promise never to break any maiden heart in this community again. Please.
I won't forgive you because of you. But for the sake of Ezemo. You know what it takes to take me back. I can't live like that.
Anyị si ndị ọmagwala agadaba ha na-esi na anyị nri. Na-agba agada na-ekwu gadaba ihe na anyị nri. Nwaanyị dị ime rigoro gadagụ ugwu ga na-akpata abanyara na ụmụchi ga na na-enye n'ọkụ gedegede. Hello! I am aware. I'll tell them the requirements. Later, he will see you off to where he found you. Onye nwa kwuru gaja wo olu.
Oge afia bụ nkwọ, eke, oye, na afọ. Ago, the items are complete. You can now take her back to where you found her.
I alone?
Yes, you alone. The journey is for both of you. But don't worry, I've appeased her spirit. She will not harm you.
Uncle, where are you going to?
At least let's not want to accompany me. I can't just take that in.
Okay. Okay, Jaffa.
Please, don't involve me in this. Please.
Please.
I'm your friend, but please don't involve me in this. Remember what Ugube said. The journey is for both of you, not 3, not 4. Both of you. 2. Or do you want to spoil everything?
At least you're my brother. You can accompany me.
I am your brother. There's no doubt about it. You understand? But you see, this kind of, in fact, I have a suggestion. Maziago, you know you are the eldest in this family. And according to tradition.
What tradition? What tradition are you talking about? Which right are you talking about? Oh, it has gotten to someone who will follow him now. You are not talking of tradition. Stop saying that right. Right on which person said.
You know, other things, cola, nut, everything, you are the first.
They are all in the basket. You can go with them.
I know where I'm saying.
By right, too. By right.
You are the
We are nothing like tradition.
By right.
Obina, Biko, Ogugbe has appeased the spirit. Her spirit. You can go with her. She will not harm you. Oh?
It's not fair.
Uncle, please.
It's not fair.
At least let someone accompany.
Shut up.
Someone should help you. When you brought her, you tell her.
Did
you inform anybody that you are bringing spirit?
Anyone want it?
Just know the way you brought her and return her.
I'll get a man to check her.
When you